productivity matters. Or as one national treasurer put it recently, there is no bigger structural issue in the national economy than productivity. It is literally the effective outcome of all of the work of all of the labour across the entire nation. And it has been sluggishly difficult to move in all Western economies for decades, with productivity growth around 1% in most large economies, and it's not shifting, despite huge input, stimulus, policies across the world. And interestingly, we've just been in a huge experiment, like it or not, that people seem not to have noticed, which is the massive increase in interest rates and inflation globally that has added trillions of dollars to corporate investment costs, but hasn't actually changed corporate investment behaviours. So if that trillions of dollars can't change behaviours, how is government stimulus supposed to make a difference? There is a new science of organisational performance that brings us a different way of looking at this whole problem, and it explains the outperformance of the few. Again, another national treasurer observed that 95% of productivity improvement in the country was coming from only 5% of organisations. What is it that those organisations know and are doing that the rest of us could learn from, and can it make a difference? So the research is showing how to explain and describe and learn from what these outperformers are doing. And I like to say it's a little bit like the theories of electricity. Right? Emerging theories of electricity did nothing to change the underlying physics of electricity, but they have allowed us to build highly powerful, high precision equipment that has changed our lives generation by generation. I think we are at the beginning of a new understanding of the science of organisational behaviour, the organisation of human labour fit for a knowledge economy, for a digital economy, for an intangible value economy on a global basis. We ignore it at our peril. This is new thinking that can give us a whole new approach to policy, to leadership, to organisations, to sectors. We need to learn to behave differently, to have the capacity and the productivity that we need to create the future that we want for a new era of change and volatility and complexity that we're in. We have to grasp the moment. But to grasp the moment, we need to understand. I look forward to sharing this new thinking and the evidence and the research and the thinking and the perspectives that have emerged, that it will enable us each to take a role in making the future better for generations to come. I look forward to sharing this new knowledge with you.